how to use Claude AI for your business. If you've been hearing people talk about Claude AI and wondering what all the fuss is about, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how I use Claude in my business every single day to do the following: write emails, summarize documents, organize ideas, create content, and save hours of time every week. The best part is you do not need to be technical to use this. So let's dive in. But today I'm going to show you some simple things you can do with Claude, and then I also want to show you what you can then build out in Claude so it becomes a really integral part of your day-to-day operations within your business. Let's ask it for help with an email. So I need something simple. I need to email my accountant and find out what my current tax situation is. I will hit enter, or you just click this button here, and immediately it's starting a chat over here. It says current tax situation inquiry, and then it says answer these questions. So what do you need to know from your accountant? So let's see, how much tax do I owe an upcoming payment? And I think for the tax man will be professional and concise. For our accountant, who could be a woman. So hi, name. With AI, make sure you don't just copy hi, name. I hope you're well. Give me an update. Nice, clear and simple. And it says swap in your accountant name and you are good to go. So you can copy that and go over to your email and paste it in, or you can open it directly in email. So that's a nice, simple way to use Claude for starters. Now, over on this left-hand side, we have got what's called a sidebar. And if we click on it, it opens up the sidebar. So you can have new chat, search your chats, previous chats, search your chats, projects, code, customize and design. Some of these are actually paid options. So projects and customize at the minute and code are currently paid options. And I am on a paid account. I am paying just under $20 a month for this. So example 2 is summarizing files. Another thing Claude is brilliant at is summarizing documents. Let's say someone sends you meeting notes, a PDF, a proposal, a transcript, a strategy document. Instead of reading through pages and pages manually, you can upload the file into Claude and ask, can you summarize the key points? Can you pull out the action points? Can you explain this in simpler language? This is really useful when, like all of us, you are short on time, and this alone can save you hours every week. Click on Add Files or Photos. Click Add Files, and I want to find a spreadsheet. Here is a customer lifetime value spreadsheet. So what are the key things I need to know to fill this spreadsheet in? And it's going to go off and look at the spreadsheet for us. So Claude works off the basis of things that are called skills. And you can see it says checking the skill for reading spreadsheets. And now it says it has 2 calculators, and let's see which one we're filling in. So we're going to have simple one-off sales. All right, so it's really just explaining what that spreadsheet is for. Another great use for this would be the LinkedIn Content Marketing Tactical Plan, a step-by-step playbook for driving brand awareness and revenue on LinkedIn. Okay, so I want a bit of help with that. So I'm going to go in here and click on my tactical plan, download now, Claude. So you can drop your file right in this and then say, please explain this PDF. And it's really what questions you ask AI will help you. So it says, this is what this is, and here are the features in it. So we might have asked a different question to say, how can we best use this in our business? And it says, is this for your own LinkedIn strategy or using it for teaching material? So it's really smart. So we could then go down another route with it and say, let's make a plan to create download for my audience and connect it to a YouTube video on LinkedIn strategy. Again, spelling is terrible, that's okay. So it's going to say, ask me a few more questions, and this is leading into, I want to show you what artifacts are on Claude. So we want a 1-page cheat sheet, yes please, and it's for my YouTube audience. Let's just say, for the sake of today's video, that the video already exists. So does it fit my audience well? Okay, Let's say that they are broader, more mixed, and we want a simple LinkedIn plan that my audience can follow. Okay, and here is the plan. It suggests excellent. Okay, it's asking lots more questions, and we will say personal brand and link in bio. So this is what you really want to use AI for, is to help you to build out things. And now, like it said there, it's using the PDF build skill. Oh, without me going to show you artifacts, it's making the artifact. So here's your cheat sheet, and it opens up an artifact on the right hand side. Now it knows my colors and branding because I have a professional account, but you could just add in your colors. You could literally add in on the plus, you could say, here are my brand colors. And now we have this lovely LinkedIn posting plan, which we can download or save to our Google Drive. If we close that, then when you want to find your artifacts in Claude, you click open the sidebar, and here are the artifacts that we have made. So posting plan, the spreadsheet we used, and the LinkedIn tactical plan. Those are some really nice, simple ways you can use Claude in your business. Having a simple chat to create an email, interrogating a file or piece of data to get more information out of it, and creating your own artifact from it. Everything I've showed you in today's video is on the free plan, and I think we're just going to go further and faster with these AI tools to help us become more efficient in our business. I want to share content here that helps you to use AI tools to help you in your business. Rather, it's not replacing you, it's something that can help you to grow your business faster and more efficiently. I'd love to hear any questions you have about using any of these tools down below, and make sure you do subscribe to the channel.